When I was 13 years old, I started making money by mowing my neighbor's lawns, and I learned a lot about hard work and the value of a dollar. And it was a struggle at times to get my hands on some decent equipment that could help accelerate my business. I had an extra lawnmower in the garage, so I figured I'd give it away for free to a teen who's looking to get their lawn mowing business off the ground. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and a few weeks back, the Garage Gal and I put a post in some local Buffalo community Facebook groups to get the word out. And those who commented a hardworking teen's name between 13 and 19 years old and had a lawn mowing business or was planning to start one was entered in the drawing. Braden was randomly selected as our lucky winner. And to help make this video a winner with the YouTube algorithm, would you mind hitting that like button? Thank you. Now here's my quick interview with Braden when he came to pick up the mower with his family. All right, guys and gals, we got the famous Braden here. He's the winner of our giveaway. And Braden, how are you? You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you're the big guy. You're the winner of this mower. First off, tell us a little bit about your lawn mowing business and how long have you been doing lawns for now?
Since like 2020, I've had it as like a chore.
Okay.
Do it? Yeah.
How many lawns do you cut like a week right now?
Like 2.
Are they neighbors down your street?
Well, one's my aunt and one's my mom's friend.
And so you haul all your stuff to their house?
No, right now, well now I can haul this there, but I've been using their stuff.
And how old are you?
13.
You're 13? Okay, I had a lawn business when I was your age. It was a fun gig to kind of get going. It allowed me to save up for, you know, some cool stuff. I was really into snowboarding.
I want to save up a lot.
Yeah? Cool.
I can get a car by like when I'm 16, so then I can drive around easily.
Nice. You got some serious entrepreneurial spirit, you know, and I think that's really cool. All right, so Braden, what got you started with mowing lawns in the first place?
So my sister started mowing our lawn around like when COVID hit, and I wasn't allowed to do it at that time, but I would weed whip and blow. But then like when she got older and I got to be like 10, 11, I started mowing our parents' lawns.
Okay.
And then like starting last year, my parents said that like if I'd get money to do it, so I started a business, and now that I have this, my mom's gonna print out cards so I can get business cards so I can give it to people.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. You can get a little more business that way.
Yeah.
You know, a little advertising to get your name around. Very cool. All right, so do you got any cool customers?
I mean, I guess my aunt always gives me like something to eat after.
Oh, that's cool.
And
they feed you.
My mom's friend, Miss Kim, she always gives me a water.
Keeps you hydrated out there, because it can get hot. You're working your butt off, you know. You're sweating a lot. You need to get rehydrated.
And they both have pretty big lawns, though.
In terms of lawn size, you know, how long does it take you to mow? Each lawn,
like
would you say?
30, the front for both of them, about like probably 5 minutes, and then the back, the backs are like pretty big, so maybe like 30, 45 minutes.
Oh, so it does take a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get it all done on like 1 tank of gas?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now, how many lawns did you hope to mow per week now that you have this mower?
Like five or 6.
Okay.
So I can get a good amount of money per week and save a certain amount, and then spend a certain amount.
Okay, so you're budgeting.
Yes.
You're watching how much you're taking in and how much you're spending out,
Because
right?
I'm not that good with money, but I'm going to start getting good with it.
Okay, that's part of running a business and learning all those things, right? You know, you got to figure out like how much gas you got to put in this thing and how many lawns per week you got to mow in order to save up a certain buck, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now what do you like most about the lawn care business?
So I just like whenever you're like finishing, about to finish like a strip, I just love the satisfaction of just it being done.
Okay, so it looks nice.
Yeah.
You got that finished product. And you know, I always used to think like mowing lawns was one of those things that after about an hour, you have something to show for and it looks great.
Yeah.
You can even smell it too.
Yeah.
You know?
Like the smell of summer.
Right, exactly. So now what are your plans going forward from here?
I would really want to like start like business going with people to help me. Then I could pay them. Then I'd like to pursue my dream after that, being an NFL player.
Oh, really? Very cool. So you would like to have people working underneath you so that way you're kind of running the show. Yeah. You're the boss. You like being the boss?
Yeah.
And you mentioned you want to get into football?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm already a football player.
Okay.
I think I'm pretty good at it.
Okay, what position you play?
Like all of them.
All of them?
Practically, yeah.
You're pretty quick on your feet?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you play right now for school?
I'm starting.
You're starting. Very cool. Do you do any like flag football too, or you just like...
Yeah, I just started this year. We lost in the championship.
Oh, Got close to the end, huh? All right, so Braden, we're gonna do a real quick lightning round. You ready? All right, so first question. Nacho cheese Doritos or ranch
Nacho
Doritos?
cheese.
Nacho cheese. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ranch,
I'm a ranch guy.
Blue heat. The blue ones, right?
Wait, you like the blue ones
Yes,
or do you like the regular
ranch.
ones?
Ranch.
You like the ranch?
Yes.
So you're switching up. You're going back to the ranch?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So those are your favorite.
Yes.
All right. Cool. Would you rather mow an overgrown lawn or clean up a massive yard covered in leaves? Which would it be?
Overgrown lawn.
You think it's a little easier to do all that?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. What's your nickname? You have a nickname?
No.
You don't have a nickname?
Well, Bear.
Bear.
My mom calls me Bear.
Next question. Invisibility or super strength? Which one would be?
Strength.
Super strength? Now, why would you say super strength?
Because invisibility doesn't really help. Super strength, I can lift up anything I want.
Okay. Favorite ice cream? What would it be?
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough?
Yeah.
My man. All right. That's mine too. Which buffalo wing do you like better? The wings or the drumsticks?
The wings.
The wings?
Yeah.
You're a wing guy?
Yeah.
All right, I'm a drumstick guy myself. That's cool though. That's cool. We can still be friends. All right, so Braden. So here's your mower, my man. All right?
Yeah.
You ready to go with this? We're going to talk about this real quick. So this mower got a tune-up, so it runs great now. Before it would start, but it was a little hard to start. Now the carburetor's all cleaned out. She's ready to go. She's got a brand new air filter in there too. And I changed the oil and sharpened the blade. So you're good for a while here. And I mean, this is a push mower, so you're going to be working those muscles pretty hard. You know,
That's what we have.
Oh, okay. Do you have any like steep hills or anything you got to go up, or is it
No.
pretty flat?
Well, we have land that we do sometimes, but
Okay. So this will kind of come in handy for all that. Gotcha. Now I also cleaned it real good because it was pretty dirty when I got it, but I did find the model number here. So here's the model number for it.
okay.
So don't lose this. Kind of keep it in a safe spot.
Okay.
So that way, in case you ever need to order parts for it or anything, boom, you got it. Cool? Cool. Now one little thing to help you out, Braden, all right? A lot of gas stations around here sell what's called ethanol-free gas, okay? And what that means is it has no ethanol in it. The gas that you put in your cars has ethanol in it. And it helps with gas fuel efficiency, but for lawnmowers, it kind of clogs up the carburetors. So what you want to buy is ethanol-free gas.
Okay.
And these engines run better on it, and it's only like 50 cents more a gallon. It's not much, but I know like some of the speedways around here, other gas stations will have it. You just gotta look for it. But if you get a gas can, you fill this up with it, you should have no problems that you run nice and smooth for you. Cool?
Yeah.
Cool, my man. All right. All right, Braden, fire it up, bud. There we go. Looks like he's ready to mow. Braden is now off making that money with his new mower. He's got some serious entrepreneurial spirit for his age, and I'm excited to see this mower help him grow his business. To see how I tuned up this mower, check out the video I'll have linked down below in the description. And once again, a big shout out to my friend Gary, a local longtime subscriber here to the channel. Thank you, Gary, for helping me locate this mower. For more cool garage gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.